Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Rumill. Today we're doing another wig review with Nadula Amazon. They sent me over a new bob, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Alrighty, so I absolutely love this color, and I honestly feel like this is the most truest description of a reddish to brown color I've ever received from them. I feel like usually when they say the color's reddish brown, it's more on the reddish side, but this is actually reddish brown. Like this is so cute. So this is a 7x5 layered bob. I have it in 12 inches, 150 density. It's a 7x5 lace. Everything has been done for you. It's been pre-cut, pre-tinted, pre-bleached. It comes with one wig comb inside, as well as a drawstring right here. There's also an adjustable strap that comes in the package as well. So that's always good. And I'm just so excited to try this on because, like I said, it's usually more red. This is actually brown. Like it's showing up on camera how it really looks in real life. So, ooh. And it has like a little bit of highlight right here. That part is red, more on the reddish side. And they also put a little bit of curls in there, so that's cute too. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this strap. I feel like it's pretty tight, but I'm gonna just put it around halfway. And yeah, let's go ahead and try her on. I'm so excited. You know what? Actually, before I try her on, I'm gonna put on this Ruby Kisses matte powder foundation. I have mine in the color 13, and I'm gonna touch up the inside of the cap or the inside of the lace before I put it on. Like this. Just touch it up real quick.
When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a shall not be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one bite, I know one tie, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all depend. They can say, right, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come.
Then what I like to do is go back in with that powder and touch up the top.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee.
Cute. And now what I'm gonna do is just put on my band. I'm not doing anything that's gluing this down, but I do like to wear my band while I'm styling my wig. I feel like the moisture while this thing is on, it kind of like helps the wig melt in. So just a little bit more, and we're just gonna put this on. Okay, now I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit, kind of refresh the curls since it has been sitting in the box, but this is so cute.
Think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Pulling his phone like yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Hot comb is not needed to touch up the top. I simply just refreshed the bottom pieces. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Let's take this off. See? Like I didn't do anything. Didn't do anything to this wig and it looks so freaking good. If anything, it kind of messed up my powder on my forehead. Just touch it up with that. Alrighty, you guys, so these are the final results. I absolutely love this wig and I love that it was a truly pretty much wear and go. Like I said earlier, all I really had to do was touch up like the ends and the front, but I mean, other than that, this wig is so good. It's giving silk press. It's perfect for fall time. I just love this length too. It looks so good. And she's 100% glueless, you guys. I didn't do anything to it. So that's me showing you, okay? So I will have everything about this wig listed in the description box. Nadula Amazon, thank you so much for sending me this gorgeous wig. It's perfect for fall time. It's giving natural, it's giving silk press. Like, y'all really did y'all's thing with this one. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.